Okay, so here I've got a fake print going. It's all fine. Now I'm just going to trick it and take out my sensor. It's going to go park itself, just so you can see like what the issue is. And now you can see that it's just above the bed, about 5 millimeters. Now if I come over here and hit this button, it goes over and it starts printing in midair until it gets to the next layer. When it thinks it's going to the next layer, and it'll drop down. So I don't know what, again, I don't know what Klipper and OctoPrint are doing with that button, but that is the issue. So yeah, so just do a manual call to resume and you'll be fine next time you have a filament run out problem. Okay, so here's same thing going on now. We'll remove the filament. Goes and parks its head. We'll fake it back in, and we've got filament in there. It's parked. Now if I enter a resume command, it goes over nicely, and you'll watch it, and it sits down and it starts printing. So, but if I was to use the button over there to do this, it would just start printing mid-air until it got to the next layer. So I'm not sure what OctoPrint and Klipper do in that space, but this is the way around that problem.